She died just weeks before she was supposed to be sentenced. As West 2's Greg Fox explains, that then led to a rare hearing and tearful plea for justice.
I'm not sure that there is justice in this. Nothing will ever undo what happened. But I think this is as close to justice as I'm going to get.
Shannon Ziza and her family and friends were overcome with a range of emotions outside the Seminole County Courthouse. Following a hearing so unusual, the seasoned prosecutor said he'd never heard of one like it. It was prompted by the death of Shauna Wallace, who was found guilty last month in a June 2019 crash in which she was impaired by fentanyl. It ended the life of 17-month-old Adeline Ziza and caused permanent traumatic brain injury to her father, Dane, while also hospitalizing Shannon for more than a month. Wallace's death prior to sentencing caused a legal challenge. State and federal law vacates a conviction if a defendant dies while a case is being appealed. But the state argued there is no clear case law that addresses people found guilty by a jury and later dying before a judge adjudicates them guilty and sentences them.
This court should even place some historical record of a jury finding of guilt on those 4 counts.
There's no sentence. There can't be a sentence. There can't be a conviction.
The judge, making what may be a precedent-setting ruling, sided with the state and adjudicated Wallace guilty on all 4 counts, but not before family members got to share their grief and outrage. During victim impact statements, Shannon Ziza and her mother both criticized the criminal justice system for not bringing this case to trial sooner. They say had that happened, then Wallace might have been in court to learn her punishment.
Our system is flawed. It's a system where the defense and the rights of evil people come at the agony of the victims. This system failed me and it failed my family.
Perhaps if this trial had taken place when it should have been almost 5 years, she would still be here.
The judge apologized on behalf of the court system and said this may be the only day in which Shannon and her loved ones have justice. In Seminole County, Greg Fox, West 2 News.